I'm going to go ahead and agree to the terms. Agree.
In your choice of 3 finishes, espresso, natural, or two-tone black and cherry.
Still only $1.99 each for all 3 pieces.
Buy in store or online.
So the Apple stock reached $600 yesterday for the first time ever. That's amazing. It was just $500 a month prior to that. Okay, use iCloud. Next. Next.
Lately, another company's been saying their plant food feeds twice as long as shaken feed. What they aren't saying, their plant food actually feeds less. So we're saying it. Shaken feed provides 72% more nutrition per application and is more in line with university recommendations.
Use Find My iPad. Can't hurt. Next. Use dictation. This is the new feature I was iterating to that the previous iPad didn't have, with respect to setup, that is. Use dictation. Next. Automatically send.
Both days temperatures will hold in the 60s. Currently it's cloudy. We've got light rain and fog. And the temperature is 50 degrees outside the Lansing studios. 1-800-2
Start using iPad. Alright. Wow, this screen is amazing. Absolutely spectacular.